What's going on, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys why you want to buy the StarKnight MT off-road windshield for your Honda Talon 1000R over this cheap rough country POS. Stay tuned. What is going on, YouTube? Today we are back working on the Talon, and I'm super pumped for today because StarKnight MT sent me a windshield for free to do a product review on. And the reason I'm so pumped about this is because I've never had a company till today reach out to me and be like, hey, we want to sponsor you and send you this product to review for free. I mean, it just like blew my mind. I was actually kind of a jerk to the guy because I wouldn't give him my information. I had it shipped to my buddy's shop and everything like that. But honestly, I'm super pumped. And so we're going to get this thing unboxed. It looks like the packaging's really awesome. It was really quick shipping. I literally had a shipping number and literally the next day it showed up. They come from China and they're shipped from China to San Bernardino, and then they ship out from San Bernardino when they fill the orders. So shipping's super quick, and they have free shipping in the lower 48. And this windshield right here costs the exact same as that rough country windshield does right there. That rough country windshield is a piece of crap. I'm just saying. I mean, it does the job, I guess, but it has a really bad fishbowl effect. It's really flimsy. It rattles. The weather stripping kind of sucks. And yeah, I mean, just the quality's just really not there. So we're going to get this one installed, see how it stacks up to it, and see if it's the better option. But they gave me a product code SK10. If you can't remember that, it'll be down in the description, along with a link to their website and their Amazon affiliate store and all that for their products. So this one actually is cheaper than that one. So, you know, I mean, if this thing winds up being really good and high quality like it's supposed to be, I mean, it seems very similar to the Super ATV stuff, except it's drastically cheaper. This one's listed at $200. It fits the Honda 1000R, so I figured it will fit the X as well. I don't think there's any difference between the two. But anyhow, we're gonna get this thing unboxed and check it out. Okay, right out of the box, just open the top up. This is what we got. Well wrapped again in another layer of foam and covered in blue covering, plastic vinyl or whatever to protect it. Comes with 4 straps, very similar to the rough country one so far. But let's get this thing undone and see what it looks like. Like my letter opener. I'm gonna put the phone down so I don't accidentally scratch the windshield. Thought it was worth noting that it's actually shipped in 2 layers of foam. So they actually go a little above and beyond to make sure that your windshield arrives to you completely unscathed. You know, the rough country windshield, when I received it, the box was like falling apart and it had a scuff or 2 on it when I received it. So far, definitely liking it. All right, so there it is. Looks great. Even has these little cute pull tabs to pull the plastic off with. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna pull the plastic off now. So for those of you that need the ASMR, here you go. Guys, look how crystal clear this windshield is. I mean, that is excellent quality. And all their cuts are not straight edge cuts. They're all beveled. Like, none of them were just like plasma cuttered away. They're all rounded and beveled. Even inside here, these are rounded and beveled. I mean, it's pretty awesome quality. I'm really surprised. Honestly, I think it's so far so good. By the way, it does come with instructions if you really need to read instructions, but to put a windshield in. But for those of you that love instructions, and the weather stripping. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get this off of here, and then I'm going to take a reading of actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull that one off and get it on the table next to this thing and do a side-by-side comparison for you guys. So I thought I'd show you guys the difference. There actually is a noticeable difference. I can't find my calipers. I don't know what I did with them. Oh, I apologize for that. But you can visibly see that the StarKnight windshield is thicker than the rough country windshield. And look at the quality. Rounded, smoothed edges, sharp edges that will nearly cut you all the way around. Even in the pockets where the tools go in, or the clamps go in, same deal. Very, like, no finish work whatsoever. Basically, they just went and freaking plasmaed it out, or water jetted it out, and that was it. They didn't do anything else. This one's nice, smooth. So differences in the design. Okay, number one, their weather stripping is a lot nicer weather stripping because it actually goes on to the windshield, and then the weather stripping is designed to fit between the windshield and your plastics, so it actually puts a little tension against it, making a better seal in the bottom and keeping it from rattling. Other difference is instead of having this slight bend in the bottom, it has a bend in the top. Now, why, you ask, would they put this bend in the top? It makes it more rigid. This thing has a zero rigidity. This one's very, very rigid. So it's not going to take and make that wobbling sound when you're going down the road. So you're not going to have it squeaking and all that kind of stuff. Other difference, it doesn't come with this little BS weather strip that goes on the side, which I'm assuming they put there just so that people don't cut their fingers on the sharp edges. Because their weather stripping is terrible. This thing's literally been out on the trail like 3 times and the weather stripping won't stay on. You know, and didn't fit, of course. Their weather stripping, they say just put it across the bottom and cut off the excess. So that's the next step I'm going to do. If you guys want to know the easiest way to put this weather stripping on, and by the way, we're putting the lip swooping out and putting the weather stripping with the weathered edge inside, so it'd be up against the vehicle well. But the easiest way to install this weather stripping, to get you a rubber mallet and just go through and give it little love taps through, and anywhere there's a bend, just use the handle, lightly tap it, and it'll go right on and stay there. And it's the easiest way I've found to put this weather stripping on. I mean, don't go full Gallagher on it, but you know, just give it little love taps and put it on, and it'll hold on really well. This weather stripping's really quality stuff. There's that little metal piece in there that runs through the whole length of it, that gives it that rigidity. Hashtag the rough country one does not have this. The only other stuff I've seen that has this kind of quality is the super ATV stuff that costs like way more. But anyhow, let's go and put this thing on and see what it looks like. I'll tell you what, so far this thing fits just perfect. So I'm just gonna slide it up in here. I think my brackets on here are not going to be a problem. And just in case you guys didn't know, the way you install these things is just undo them. This goes in here. Nope, like so. No issues. This goes around, Velcro strap, just like your shoes when you were a kid. No problems. So yeah, let me get this thing buckled down and show you what the finished product looks like. So another subtle difference, where these straps look identically the same as the rough country straps do, inside here where this goes through is actually like beveled through. You can see that. It's so hard for me to do this and film. I need a big cam, dude. But where it slides in is actually beveled through, and it makes it super easy to put these through. Like normally, I already had this out. because I'm just used to having to use this to fish the strap through. Did not need this whatsoever to put these in. That was really nice. But yeah, no, fits excellent. Absolutely excellent. I mean, contoured to everything, sits away, all that, not having any problems here. I mean, it's touching this bracket for my mirrors, but it's not hurting anything at all. And get inside here, absolute zero fishbowl effect. Looks just like a glass windshield, whereas the rough country piece had a serious fishbowl effect going on. And I mean, it's hard to show that on camera, but yeah, this windshield is perfect. It's super solid. It's just all around just like way better quality. And you know, considering price wise, it's the exact same price, you know. And with the discount code SK10, you'll get $20 off, because, you know, 10%, 200 bucks, 20 bucks, 180 bucks, free shipping, shipped to the lower 48, super fast shipping, better quality. I can't think of any reason why you would want to buy this rough country piece of crap over here over the StarKnight MT professional UTV windshield. And I'm telling you, if you know, regardless, if this thing was crap and just Chinese junk, I'd tell you. I mean, I'm not getting paid any, I mean, I got the windshield, right? I don't have to send it back. They're not paying me any extra to tell how good this thing is or whatever. It just really is a better windshield. And at the end of the day, I'd rather save money on, you know, on aftermarket parts so I can buy more gasoline or buy more aftermarket parts. I'm just saying. I mean, sure, you could go and buy the Super ATV brand and, you know, there's that, but this is honestly 100% just as good, if not better, and it's way cheaper. I mean, I don't know off the top of my head what the Super ATV full windshield's going for, but I'm willing to bet it's more than 200 bucks. So anyhow, I can't wait to do some wheeling with this thing and check it out. But just judging by the install, the thickness of the windshield, the attention to detail, the overall quality of the windshield, this is definitely going to be the windshield that stays on here, at least in the wintertime. Now, in the summertime, I may take this off and put a half windshield on, just because this thing puts a lot of heat in the cab, and I'm pretty warm-blooded to begin with, and it gets to be 100 and stupid around here on a regular basis. But yeah, definitely a really nice windshield. I mean, you can just feel the difference. I mean, it feels like glass, where the other rough country windshield, it has a little bit of porosity to it, which you say, why is that a big deal? First time you go smashing through a mud puddle in this thing with that windshield over there, you literally, like, you had to stop. It wouldn't clear just by driving. You had to stop, spray a ton of water on there, wipe it, do all those kinds of things. And yeah, it's just kind of a pain. And I think that's a big reason why a lot of people don't like full windshields on their rigs, because of the visibility issue. But I seriously doubt that's going to be a problem with this one whatsoever. This thing is just mint. I'm super happy with it, super stoked. Really happy they gave me the opportunity to do this, and I can't wait to do more videos for them in the future. And again, if their product is crap, I'm going to say it. But this one is 100% Win Wolf Mountain Customs approved. So anyhow, links are in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we see you guys again. Thanks a lot to StarKnight MT for, I guess, sponsoring this video with the windshield. I'm super stoked and can't wait to give you guys some more content. But anyhow, SoCal Sniper signing off. See you next time.